Hi, this is Mila, and I've been wanting to do one of those for a while. The ZURU mini brands sneakers. I've been looking forward to this one, and I'm hoping that they can fit Elizabeth, because if they do, that's gonna be so cool, because right now she has boots and she has just her regular sneakers, but those seem to be very fancy. So I hope we're lucky, and I know sometimes they can be a bit too big, but I'm hoping if I were maybe to stuff the shoes, like, would it look atrocious? Okay, I'm very hopeful. Ooh, Reebok. So I'm assuming everything else is Reeboky in this package. Let's see. Reebok again, stickers. Okay, let's go for the hat. And it is a Reebok hat. Okay, let me just put it maybe here. I'm very excited for the shoes. I hope they're really cool. And everything is black, so like I would not mind black sneakers at all. Not one bit. Okay, I'm ready. Oh, the box. Look at this beauty. Isn't it gorgeous? And they are not black. Ooh. Look at this color. Oh my goodness. Look at that. They actually look really cool. But size-wise, I can kind of guess already that they're way, way too large. Let's see. Let's try the hat first. Kind of seems like it would... Oh yeah, look at that. Oops, no, it's going up because of the hair. But yeah, it definitely fits her head. Definitely goes with the outfit. Oh yeah. With the black jacket, she looks ready to go out. I'm not sure how much she's seeing. Oh yeah. That's okay, actually. It's not too bad. The hat is rubbery, so let's see if I can actually... Is this going to be better? Not too bad, actually. I do still need to fix her hair. But yeah, not too shabby. I'm kind of liking this. This look for her is... Yep, pretty good. And let's see for the shoes. Okay, here's Lizzie. And here's her foot. And here's the sneaker. Do you see? Like, that's like the movie If the Shoe Fits. I mean, it's not gonna fit. It's like humongous compared to the doll. Look how ridiculous it looks. Not even a little bit. Oh my goodness, this is ridiculous. But it's still funny, and I love them, and they'll be like great display piece. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I can't wait to see you for the next little moment we get to share together. Bye!